Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to crop to shape in Canva. First of all, open up the Canva application on your PC. Then click to open up the whiteboard, or you can choose any of the given options. When you get into the whiteboard, click on the Elements option. Choose different shapes from here and place them on the whiteboard. After that, click on Shapes and you will find all types of shapes in here. Now head to Templates option from the top left corner. Then get back to the home page and click on Website options. Once you're in, choose the template for your website. After choosing the template, apply it on all pages. Then, select the photo you want to edit. Now, you can crop the photo very easily according to your requirements. Or, you can use the Smart Crop option. Once you're satisfied, save the changes. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.